What did you say?
I found some eggs.
Found some eggs.
Maybe the chicken.
Ano, is balot daw, babe.
Balut. Yeah.
Wala na.
But that's a touristic price.
Does it still try it? Sorry. It's hot.
Looking at you then. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video ay mayroon na naman tayong titingnan lupa guys, no? So titingnan lang naman namin guys. So pag nagustuhan ay bibilhin natin. Charot. Pero ngayon guys, titingin lang muna kami, no? Kasi marami na kami tinitingnan mga lupa, no? Pero wala pa naman po kami napag-desisyonan na bibilhin. So ngayon ay tingin-tingin lang muna kung okay yung lahat ng mga documents. So walang problema. Ayun, doon na kami magdi-decision guys. And syempre check po namin mga paper. Hold this trim, anak. No, Michael, teno. Maliligo kami dagat. Aray. Agay. Tabel. Agay. Tabel.
My feet.
Tabel.
Oh,
Okay. Malapit lang pala sa road. Tabel.
no, Sabel.
Uy.
Sabel.
Laka, mama. Maligo pa nagdagat si Isabel. Titingin kami ng lupa guys kasi malay natin next few years babalik na kami dito guys, mag for good. And the more kasi na yung taon ay pamahal yung lupa. Ang mahal ng lupa dito talaga super. Per square meter minsan umaabot ng 5,000 square meter, 4,000. And ayan, meron kaming papers nito. Titingnan lang namin doon sa assessor's office kung yung isa lang talaga yung may-ari. Hi! Hi! Look at me! Look at me, mama! May tinitingnan kasi kaming lupa na gustuhan nito ni 4,000 square meter. Kaso lang may problema daw pala sa papers. Hindi, yung isang kapatid hindi ata pumapayag, parang gano'n. Na kasi meron nang nagdi-deal sa kanila bang yung lupa. So sayang lang kasi nagustuhan ni Tony. Ang lupa kasi guys parang golden, habang tumatagal lalong napamahal, ganon siya, parang ganon. Kaya maganda talagang investment talaga ang lupa din, no? Kasi hindi naman namamatay yung lupa, no? Hanggang dito lang. Important lang talaga ay okay ang lahat ng papers. What did you say?
I found some eggs.
Found some eggs.
Maybe the chicken.
Ano, is balot daw, babe.
Balut. Yeah.
Wala na, not good anymore.
You eat balut.
Oh, no. Never eat balot in my life. You will try balot. Tony will try balot one day.
But I cannot eat balut.
Same. I never tried balot in my life.
I will
Never
try.
in my life.
I will try
But
one.
always
Tony will try.
I say.
They are like so much. I see the...
Delicious for mix with vinegar. Yeah, but
Maybe they like the vinegar, but how can you like a chicken with all
Aba, you will not try soon, baby.
Babe, what?
We go in the jungle, guys, now.
On
Huh?
Facebook. You on Facebook?
I have Clouden.
Clouden only.
I have Clouden.
Claudine.
But not.
This is the boundary.
Yes.
Oh, it's big, huh, babe?
Mama, look inside.
750. Karin isang mohon diri day.
Sige, unya na lang. But the other
Michael, no?
mohon like that.
Michael. Let me see Michael. Hey! Hey!
Papa, guarda Michael! Sabel! The very important, you can
Tarik-tik. Okay guys, we're going to the beach and they are still talking. Tony never finished talking guys. Si Tony too much blah blah blah. Ganyan talaga mga Italian. No, don't do that. Si Isabel, I want her to swim today and we're going to the beach. After this, as you can see, we are already all in costume. Isabel no, because I'm not gonna remove clothes of Isabel because it's too hot today. Isabel! Isabel nga gwapa ni mama! Isabel! Ay, smiling man akong langga. Ay, si smiling man yung baby ko man. Oh, yan si. Sige guys, see you later guys sa beach. Isabel! She likes so much. Isabel! Let me see Isabel. Ay! Gapa! Hi! Hi! Isabel?
Meanwhile,
So, andito na nga kami sa Accessor's Office guys, no, sa munisipyo para i-check namin yung lupa na tinitingnan po namin siya. Actually, marami kaming tinitingnan lupa guys, pero i-check po talaga namin lahat.
much later.
So, dahil nagkikrib ako ng sinugbang saging guys, ayan, sinabi ko kay Tony, bibili ako. Napilit ko pa rin si Tony guys kasi ayaw niya talaga ako pakainin ng mga ganyan guys kasi hindi nga daw healthy. And cancerogen daw yung ano guys, ayan yung mga itim-itim yan. Sabi ko, minsan-minsan lang naman, hindi naman ako laging kumakain yan. So, ayan, sabi ko, isang piraso lang naman. So, ayan, si Asia gusto din daw po nilang i-try and Michael. First time po nilang kumain yan ni Michael guys kasi hindi po talaga ako bumibili niyan dati.
That's a touristic price. Oh, touristic price. 10 pesos.
Facciamo scambio, mamma. Facciamo scambio.
Try. Uguali. Let me see. How is it? Ha? Michael, let me try. Uy.
I just still try it.
Come.
It's hot.
How is it?
Yeah, it's hot.
Lame? Sarap. Sarap.
No.
How many bananas do you sell a day?
Ano? Not for you.
70. Not bad.
A few moments later.
So dahil dumaan po kami ng paligid guys, ayan napabili na naman po kami ng durian guys, no. Hindi talaga rin pinapalampas ni Tony yung kanyang durian guys. Pag nakaamoy siya ng durian ay talagang bibili po talaga siya guys. Ay nako.
Let me see, try.
Crema.
Try, Michael. Uy, look at the face, Michael. Have it? Really addictive, wow. We said that we're gonna eat only one cut.
We are here a few weeks, babe.
Huh?
Let's eat, until we are here.
Oh yes, I'm gonna buy one more.
For sure. Maybe two. Also Monday.
2,000 years later.
So ayun na nga guys, dahil papalapit na kami pabalik ng Italy, so sulit-sulitin na po talaga namin yung aming dagat guys, kaya hapon na talaga yung pagpunta namin ng dagat. Araw-araw na po yun guys. Kaya wala na talaga akong paki kung umiitim ako lalo no. So hayaan nyo na yan. Ayan, si Isabel guys kahit lagi nang nabilad ng araw hindi man niya nangitim. Pero yung nanay niya ako si Asia at si Isabel si Michael grabe talaga sobrang itim. Si Isabel lang talaga yung papa tsaka papa niya ang hindi nangingitim guys. So ayan hayaan ko na lang yan si Isabel yan magkamang-kamang dyan sa bonbon no kay gaganahan man siya. Tapos sinintay po pala namin yung mga kaibigan na ito na Italian guys tsaka yung mga asawa nila kasi pupunta daw po dito. So ayan marami kaming kasama mamaya guys. So hindi po kami mag-iinosara.
Asia! Ay guys. Marami mga lalaki doon guys. Wala, sariling sikap talaga kami guys. Mag video, picture, video. So ayan, wala naman pakinabang yung mga lalaki doon. Hey, walang pakinabang nga. Walang pakinabang. Asia? Bye! Ang ganda. Pakita ko si sunset. Ano na yung sunset na yun? Tabel! Ay! Ay! Hi! Looking at you then. Tabel. Paghapon kasi takot kasi sa araw. Okay na yan, salamat Hi guys, uuwi na kami guys. See you later guys. See you later. Pauwi na kami guys. Ang itim-itim na. Hi. Hi. She's so happy.
Excited.
So excited. Ciao guys. We're going home. Ang saya-saya niya Ciao ciao tutti. Mali, madilim naman Ciao ciao tutti. Dumami yung tao ng madilim na. Dumami yung kanina yung medyo mainit-init pa wala pa yung masyadong tao. Ngayon madilim na. Mag night swimming yata sila.